So most people solve this question like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, right? Now 17 times 3 is equal to 51, right? So now 51 divided by 51 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So now 51 divided by 17. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So times 3, right? Now here we have one division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 51 divided by 17 is equal to 3 times 3. Now 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.